Hello everyone. This lecture is about understanding how to generate the first type of high voltage, which is high voltage AC at power frequency. High voltage AC at power frequency can be generated by using two methods. The first method is using high voltage testing transformer, and the second method is using resonant circuits. In high voltage testing transformer method, we can use single unit of high voltage transformer. This single transformer can produce high voltage up to 300 kilovolt. For high voltage higher than 300 kilovolt, single unit can't be used due to insulation problems. The insulation of the transformer itself will be very bulky to withstand this voltage. So the transformer will be large in size, and then second problem appears, which is transportation and direction problems of the transformer due to its large size. Thus, for obtaining voltage higher than 300 kilovolt, cascaded units of high voltage testing transformers can be used. The next lectures will be about explaining each method of these methods that are used to produce AC high voltage at power frequency.